Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to add another phone to find my iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first we need to go to settings. After that we need to click Apple ID. And here scroll down a little and click Find My. After that click Find My iPhone and here we must turn on this first setting. After that go to home screen and here you must click on search bar and enter Find My and click here. After that we click Share My Location and we need to click on this plus and enter a number of your friend or your device. And that's all. This is a very easy way. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone.